Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a review on my camping lights that I just received for a gift from my father-in-law. He knows that I like to do outdoor stuff, so he decided to buy me some camping lights from Amazon. I have never opened up these lights before, and I'm going to go ahead and just do an unboxing so you can see what's in here, and we're going to do some testing on the features. So let's get right into this review. So before I go ahead and open up my camping light box, according to the package, it's going to come with some hanging hook. It also has a slot for 3 AAA batteries. We also see here that we have the knob. We can turn the different settings for the light. And it also looks like it comes with 4 different colors. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty much protected in some plastic. And there's our blue light. It has the hanging hook there on the side, so you can actually take this in your tent and you can hang it up on your tent. Or if you want to go like hiking at nighttime, you can go ahead and connect this to the back of your rucksack or backpack. And or if you want to go running outside, and you can see it looks pretty good. Turn the light on. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn my light off here when you can see the different lighting settings on it. Pretty cool. So there you go. So we got that one. So it comes with a blue. Okay, open it up here. And as you can see, this is where you put the battery sockets in there. Okay, you're going to put that back in there. Got to line it up. Okay. Okay, so we'll go ahead and take out the other one. And if you like red, there we go. We're gonna go ahead and look at this nice red color. The hook's there, pretty good. Okay, I have another one. Oh, I accidentally hit the button in this one already. Okay. So it looks like we have a darker blue one. So we have light blue, we have red, we have a darker blue, and then we have a green one. And I guess when you hit the button the first time, it makes a solid light. Then next one, it's gonna dim the light just a little bit, and it's gonna start doing some flickering. All right, so let's see how it looks at night. Let me go ahead and turn my lights off. All right, so I turned the lights off where I'm at. You can see it's an LDE light, and it will do good. It will definitely light it up your tent or when you're going for a hike at nighttime. It's pretty cool. The light is dimmed a little bit. Flicker it again. Yeah, and as you can see, these are very high quality. I'm definitely gonna be using these when I go hiking or when I set my tent up, and it's definitely worth your money. And I can't wait to go ahead and set this up in my tent. Another thing I like to mention about these specific LED camping lights is that you have about 10,000 hours of light before you have to replace the battery. I forgot to mention that part. So yeah, this is a very amazing camping light set to have, and I would definitely bring it along on my camping journeys or when I'm hiking outside or even when I'm going for a nice little run at nighttime. I hope that you like this review, and thank you for watching.